Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be solving LeetCode 206, reverse a linked list. So the problem statement states, given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. So as you can see in the example, the linked list, the order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each one is pointed to the next node. And then when you reverse it, it should be the other way around. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can see this here in the input and output. So the beginning is now 5 versus in the original input, the beginning was 1. And here's another example demonstrating that. And there are not really any notable constraints to pay attention to. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so our objective is to basically break this connection and reverse my pointer at every single node. So then my linked list would look something like this. And the way we're going to do this is by a very common approach, and it's called two pointers. Okay, so I have 3 pointers, my previous pointer, my current pointer, and my next pointer. And the overview of how this algorithm is going to work is I'm going to point my current pointer, which is currently at node 1, to my previous pointer, which is currently pointing at a dummy node, which is null. So my current next is going to equal previous, which means I break this link and then I increment my pointers. So I basically change my current next to my previous, and then I shift my pointers accordingly until the very end of my linked list, and every single node is reversed. Let's code out our solution. So the first thing I'm gonna do is initialize 3 pointers, which are gonna be previous, current, and next. And then I am going to also initialize a dummy node. That way the beginning of my linked list, which is going to be the end when I reverse it, is going to point to the dummy node, which is null. This should be dummy, because that's what our previous pointer is currently pointing at. Okay, now I want to go through my linked list as long as it's not pointing at null. So that's going to be my while loop. And inside my while loop, I'm going to set my next pointer. And then I want to do my switch where my current next node is my previous. And then I want to increment my pointers. So my previous is going to equal my current, and my current is going to equal my next. And then I just want to return previous node. And if I run this, it should work. And yeah, there we go.